In this video, I'll show you how to update fillable forms in Docusign step by step so you can keep your templates accurate and ready for reuse. Start by logging into your Docusign account and navigating to the Templates section from your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all your saved templates. Find the one you want to update, then click on the three-dot menu next to it and select Edit. This will open the template in the editor where you can modify existing fields, add new ones, or adjust placement as needed. You can update text fields, signature areas, checkboxes, and other inputs to match your current requirements. Make sure all fields are properly assigned to the correct recipients to avoid issues later. Once your changes are complete, save the template to apply updates. Always review the form before using it to ensure everything works correctly. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.